Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to sync TikTok Reels to trending Spotify songs for maximum reach and engagement. Let's get started. First, you need to check the Spotify trending songs. Open the Spotify app and go and search for the viral hits playlist and pick a trending track you want to use for your TikTok video. And go back to TikTok app and tap the plus icon to create a video. Then search for that song in TikTok Sounds library. If available, add it to your clip. And here, use a TikTok's auto sync feature or manually trim clips to match the key bits from the Spotify trend. You can add transition or effects to enhance it. And that's how you sync TikTok Reels to Spotify trends. Try it out with the viral songs and watch your view grow. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.